Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to save your chats on your Zoom meetings. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up Zoom if you haven't already. After opening up Zoom guys, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where you can either see a new meeting, or you can join an existing one, or you can schedule a meeting and so on. So guys, what you want to do is go ahead and either join the meeting where you're the host, or you do not have to be the host, but just join by meeting ID, or if you do not have the meeting ID, then you can go ahead and create your new meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new meeting guys, and after creating a new meeting, here multiple people will be able to join if you allow them to and you give them the meeting ID. So guys, let's go ahead and click the chat option right here in the lower bottom corner, which is called chat. Go ahead and click on that guys, and now as you can see, this will open up the chat in the right side of the screen. So people will be able to write messages here. Let's go ahead and write a couple of messages such as tutorials, and let's type in today's video. And after that guys, you can see multiple people will be able to write, and if you want to save this chat, then it's very easy, and all you have to do guys is go ahead here and click these three dots in the lower right corner right here next to the emoji icon. Click on these three dots and there will appear an option that says save chat. So yeah, guys, you want to go ahead and click on save chat, and now the chat has successfully been saved and you can show it in the folder where it is saved. So yeah guys, that's how you do it, that's how you save a chat in Zoom. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.